Workshop tools are heavy, their cables get tangled, they're expensive and space-consuming. It's time for a change. We present to you the 3Dsimo MultiPro. It's small, smart, efficient, and can replace as many as 7 types of electric tools. Thanks to its wide range of functions, it allows you to create whatever comes to your mind. 3Dsimo MultiPro is a mini workshop that fits in your palm, so you can carve out your own wooden bow tie or burn a pattern into your leather shoes. And that's just the beginning. Imagine all the things you can create or repair. The 3Dsimo MultiPro is here for all DIY modeling and 3D print enthusiasts with bold projects on their mind. Thanks to its low weight and ergonomic design, the 3Dsimo MultiPro can be used by children as well. What about creating a self-designed dress or jewelry? With 3Dsimo MultiPro's many extensions, you can engrave glass and jewelry and burn patterns into wood and leather. There is no limit to creativity except the size of your working table. Engrave glass, make a 3D drawing from any material, burn images into wood, solder electronics, create learning tools, repair, become an artist. Smooth out 3D prints, cut, drill, solder, screw, or manufacture your own functioning quadrocopter from scratch. All that with a single tool. 3Dsimo has been on the market for 6 years and sold more than 40,000 of our unique products. We develop and complete our products in the very heart of Europe to maintain their top quality and keep up with innovation. We have a worldwide patent on our 3Dsimo MultiPro. With respect to the needs of the DIY community, we decided to release the first open-source multifunction tool ever, 3Dsimo Kit 2. All plastic parts are 3D printed, and it takes less than 10 minutes to assemble the device. Thank you for your support. Let's create